Okay, so box and whisker day 2. First thing that we have to do is put all of our numbers in order. Okay, so we've got to rewrite this entire list of numbers. I'm just going to write it right underneath the current list. Start with 9, incorrect. Start with 8. 8 is the lowest number. 8, then 9. So scratch those two out. Then we have an 11. Then a 14. 17. 23. 29. Scratch those out. We have two 32s. And I missed a 30 in there, so I gotta go back. Problem with not paying attention. Got a 30, a 32, another 32. Got both of those. I got the 30 and a 39. Okay, maximum and minimum. So minimum is 8, maximum is 39. Quartile 1, not sure yet. We've got to find our median. So the first thing we want to do is find our median. Okay, so I'm going to count in. I first need to know how many numbers I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that means there should be 5 on either side of the median. And 29 to 39 is 5, so 23 has to be our median. And again, you can cross them out as you go to the center. I don't want to do that because I need those numbers later. So our median is right here at 23. And then I break both the top and bottom portion, the upper extremes and the lower, into to find a median. So that would be the third number over. So 32 is our median of the upper. So quartile 3 is 32. And 11 would be the median of our lower. So there's quartile 1. Okay. So we have all of our data that we need to build the box and whisker plot. So basically, the easiest way that I can think of to do this is to plot them right on the number line temporarily. We can make our box above that. So there's 11. I have an 8. I have a 39, a 23, and a 32. So if I raise them straight up, 32, our 23, and our 11, I can make my box. And straight down through the median, make a line, then bring 39 up and bring 8 up, and that becomes your whiskers. And that's all there is to it.